In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Apple Keyboard to Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Apple Keyboard, also known as the Magic Keyboard, can be easily connected to a MacBook or a Mac desktop PC. All that you have to do is choose between one of two connection types. You can either connect it wirelessly through Bluetooth, which is what I recommend, so I'm going to showcase this method first, or you can connect it using a cable. So, first, if you want to use Bluetooth, go into the settings of your Mac and find the Bluetooth category. Double check to see if it has been enabled. With Bluetooth enabled, now you have to set the Magic Keyboard into pairing mode. This will make it discoverable by other devices, including the Mac. So switch this toggle at the top of the keyboard. You will see this green background to indicate that it is now powered on and searching for nearby devices. So once you switch this toggle, it is going to appear on the list of nearby devices. There's no secret to this. Of course, this is also going to work with any other device that can use Bluetooth connectivity. So even a Windows PC, you can still do the same steps and connect it. Once you find it here, choose the option to connect and it will now be established. Now you can use it wirelessly. If you want to connect it through a cable, then grab the proper cable for your particular model. You can check to see if you have a USB-C or Lightning port by looking at the top. And once you determine the port that you have on your Apple keyboard, you simply use a cable to plug it in. So one end goes into the keyboard and the other one goes into your Mac. You can use a USB to USB-C cable. You can use a Lightning to USB-C. Regardless of the configuration, there will be a cable that allows you to establish this connection between both devices. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Apple Keyboard to Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.